Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, we are Mr. Pin and we upload weekly review type videos. So for this week, we are going to be reviewing this Bible study kit. Happy Mr. Pin Monday. I'm excited to go ahead and show you this, so let's open it up. Before we open it up, I feel like it's noteworthy. How cute is this packaging? I really think Mr. Pin has stepped up their packaging game. This is just super cute, and I also love that it's pastel colors. Okay, so I went ahead and took everything out of the packaging. It comes with 5 different fine liners as well as 5 different gel pastel highlighters. So I'm going to test those out on a piece of paper and then test them out in my Bible and show you how they work. Okay, so first I'm going to test the fine liners out on paper. So I'm just going to write Mr. Pin and then do a little square and color it in. And then I'm going to show you guys the gel pastel highlighters over here. These are not really meant for writing with, so maybe I'll just kind of do some swatches with them to show you the color. So these are what all of the colors look like on paper. Obviously the pastel highlighters are more meant for highlighting, so it'll be better when I show you those in a Bible. But these pastel fine liners are really great for writing. I'd highly recommend them for taking notes in your Bible or even just in a notebook. They are super pretty colors, and I definitely think that they're true to the packaging. So I really like those. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up a page of my Bible and show you how they work. So just to show you guys an example of something that I've colored in the past with Mr. Pin fine liners, here is something. Not all of these are pastel colors though, so I'm going to flip to another page and color that on camera for you guys, just to show you guys how it works. Obviously you could use this for not only coloring, but also note-taking. So I think I'm going to color in the letters of the word hope, H-O-P-E. I'm trying to decide what color I'm going to do it, and I'm thinking maybe yellow. So I'm just going to go ahead and start coloring. This is making it a lot easier to fill in some of these tiny spaces that normally regular sized pens wouldn't do, because these are fine liners. So I definitely appreciate how quickly this can get colored without having to put so much effort in to getting all of the tiny little corners and everything. Alright, so there's one letter. I'm going to do the rest off camera and then get back to you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and colored Hope off camera. This is how it turned out. I love the yellow color. It's just so soft and pretty. And like I said, the fine liners work great to color in the small spaces. Okay, so now I'm going to take this yellow pastel highlighter and highlight Jeremiah 29:11. Show you guys how this highlighter works and if it bleeds through or not. I like that you don't have to go over it a lot. That's really nice. A lot of highlighters, you have to go over it a ton, which is annoying. But this one, that is not the case. You just kind of have to go over it once. So here's what the highlighting looks like. Obviously, you can go over it more times if you prefer, but you really only need to once just to get a good highlight. I'm going to flip the page and we'll see if it bled through. Nope, you cannot see that at all. You can't even tell. So now that you guys have seen these and how they work, I highly recommend. They work super well. I love the fine liners, how they get in the fine lines, just like their name. And also I love the pastel colors of all of these, and the gel highlighters. I love that they don't bleed through. It's super nice, especially because Bible pages are so thin. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our videos on our channel, and I will have this product linked in the description if you want to check it out. See you next Mr. Pin Monday.